Whiteout conditions, Toronto. Look at outside, it's so crazy. Major winter storm. Up to 35 to 40 centimeters of snow we're supposed to get, which is about 10 to 12 inches. Everything canceled today. Schools. They're telling people to stay off the roads. Major whiteout conditions. My car's buried. It looks like a big snowdrift. Wow, this is crazy weather. Like and subscribe. No plows come yet. Lots of snow. Whiteout. Biggest snowfall of the year. Like and subscribe. Trees though look pretty, covered in snow. Snow comes up to the second step. It's gonna get even deeper. Like and subscribe. Whiteout conditions.